This is $2,000 in Apple tech. And then this is 3,000 baht, which is $90. So let's go out and find the cheapest tech products we can find in Thailand that will compete with Apple. Okay, we got some options here. We have 200, 999 baht. These are 200 baht. I'm gonna get these ones. They're like AirPods? Okay. Okay, cup and cup. All right, now we're going to MBK, the cheapest tech knockoff place in Bangkok. Let's see if we can get the cheapest possible. Let's see what they have. Mini cell phone. Oh, how much is mini cell phone? 500 baht for a mini cell phone. 275, and you got a deal. Okay, let's make 300 equal, and not cash.
350 last.
350, okay, fine.
Yeah, which color you want?
I will pick, I'll do this. This color, yes, 350. Second generation, 900 baht. That's a nice one. They look like this? 750, you have deal. 750.
Okay.
750, okay, 750, you have deal.
This color?
Exactly that one. Okay, 750 is like $25. So $25 for some AirPod 2s, pretty good deal. They're usually about $500. I think we saved some money today. Dyson? No Dyson? Oh, 300 baht for this. Does it turn on? Okay. 250 plus this for free. Okay, but I want brand new one.
This is the only one.
This is the only one?
I guess so.
Okay.
250?
250. I need fan. I know you bought for 50 baht.
No,
Oh, yeah.
impossible.
I go on Lazada. I check. It says 75 baht. I come back to you.
No.
Yeah.
Impossible.
Okay. Cup. I need an actual new watch, so I'm gonna get a smartwatch. Cheapest smartwatch? What's the cheapest?
600 baht.
Oh, 600.
Yep. Oh, it's not a weather, it's the Wetcher. Okay, I like, this is good. 500
color
is
you
good
want?
for that. What color you have? Pink color?
Yeah, this one pink.
I'll take pink.
Plastic bag.
I know, Micah. 500 baht. Okay. Okay. Let's see how much we have left. Okay, so we spent 2,500 so far, but we have one more thing to buy, but this is it for MBK. This is what we got at the house. Hey, you're good? Okay, so here are the 6 tech products I bought for $90 here in Thailand. We have the headphones, we have the JBL clip, we have the miniature phone, the hand fan, small wind Canon 1000, AirPod Max 2s, and a smartwatch. The smartwatch. First off, this has female assistant. We have Wetcher. All right, so opening this up, we have a guide, a wristband. Oh, we got multiple wristbands. It's pink, so I got pink, so that's interesting. We have 2 different straps that it comes with. We got the flat one, the standard Apple. Then we have, this is, oh my God, this feels like there's nothing in it. Anyways, the glory shot. Now, it looks pretty good. If I were to see this from maybe 10 feet away, I would just be like, that's just an Apple Watch. Peeling off this, will it start up? It starts up, wow. Oh my gosh, it actually, oh, Jesus Christ, what the hell happened? This is not bad. So after checking, this smartwatch was 500 baht, which is about $15 here in Thailand. Some of these meals cost as much as a smartwatch. So let's just see if it can detect my heart rate. I'm just gonna have to go with this. You're just gonna have, it just made an emergency call. I don't know if the actual emergency will actually come from that. All right, let's put this on. Let's see if this is actually working. It's showing that it's 86 beats per minute. All right, let's see what other options we have here. Let's go to dynamic, okay. Gesture, brightness control, do not disturb, key definition password. So let's just try to connect this to my phone, and hopefully they won't get all my data, but that's okay. Bluetooth not connected. It is connected on my iPhone here. Maybe if we play some music. Hold up. So if you're looking at my phone right here, but if I press pause, It's actually playing in real time. I hit next song and it automatically goes to the next song.
Tecnologia.
Pause.
Tecnologia.
So it actually works as a phone. I mean, it does connect to here. I don't want to play because I don't want to get copyright striked or whatever. So we're gonna let this charge. We're gonna leave this to the side and we're gonna see if this charges. It's at 31% now. We're gonna come back to that. Moving on to the next product. Okay, so the next product, if you have a smartwatch, you're gonna want to listen to something. So now we got 7-Eleven Apple AirPods. Now they're not marked as Apple AirPods, but they're basically Apple AirPods. Brand age 25, Thailand's most admired brand. Now these are real AirPods. They're quite dirty, but they have a nice snap to it. Here is the ones from 7-Eleven. So it's about 20% larger in case. Now let's see how they connect. Okay, so these are connected. They are, let's play some music out of them. Okay, wow, these, you can't hear the music right now, but if I take them out, I'm honestly blown away for $6, and it comes with a USB-C, which is even better because our most cheap brands only have like micro USB-C. 100% recommend these. These are like $6. You cannot beat this. This is like 4.5 out of 5. That fake Apple Watch so far, I'm gonna give like a 3 out of 5, just because for $15 as well. Next up, we have a JBL speaker that I got from a shady person on the Facebook marketplace. $70, $80, $90 to buy an original one, and I got only this for 20 bucks. And it looks like it's a real JBL. I mean, it's got Parman, I don't know if that's part of it. Portable speaker. We're only one way to find out how well this is. It's got a sticker on the front here. I don't think JBL meant to do that. Doesn't go back to its clicking position. Oh shh. Okay. It's not about the clip. It's about the speaker. Wait, how do I? Wait, why is it calling? What is it? Wait, what? Who's calling? Doing something like this. Non-copyright. Why does it call? Who is it calling? Okay. Okay. So it's popping. This is the worst product. It just automatically turned off. This is a -5 out of 5. There is no way this is even a real product. Forget this device. Yeah, I don't even want this connected to anything. All right, moving on to the next thing. Okay, it's getting a little hot in here, so we're gonna try to use this fan. Now, this lady you saw in the shop, this was her only one that she had, and she sold it to me for 200 baht, 250 baht, which is about $7. Oh, I think you just gotta rock it back and forth, and it turns on. There we go. Oh, 20, 40, 60. Ooh, 80, 100. It smells like it's on fire. I'm gonna go out and say I was scammed. I actually looked on a local Thai site and these were selling for 89 baht, which is equivalent to less than $3. Like a cup of coffee costs more than this. I'm gonna give this a 2 out of 10, but I feel like we can do something and make this better. Okay, so this is where the dreams come true. This is the mini phone M10. So this phone was only $9, 350 baht. Jesus, look at that. So let's just say I'm an average user that turns on this phone. Oh. You know, sometimes it's good to have a brain because you have to take off the plastic to expose the terminals. Now when it turns on, maybe the middle button. Look at that. We have a couple of different options. We got phone book, we have local connection, select speed, memory. If you need a trap phone, this is perfect. You could just be talking like this. You could almost put this attached to your ear and just talk to people. It's actually kind of nice. So for our final product, we have the AirPod Max 2. These are the brand new AirPod Maxes that just came out. This was 800 baht, I believe, 800 baht, which is about $26. Here we go. Wow. So I don't remember Apple using gloss paint or plastic wrap. This is also not magnetic. These are supposed to be magnetic, but these are just snap-ons. First impressions, the button here. It's just a push button, doesn't twist. The original one's supposed to twist. I think I just broke that. All right, first let's connect them before they even break. No way, AirPod Max. Okay, so these sound like someone's playing heavy bass through the wall. A lot of bass. It sounds like one of those cars with a lot of subs in it going past, but it actually for $26. Now, durability wise, I mean, they're kind of durable, honestly. Like, if you throw them...
แสดงตนครับ
Sounds like a radio.
I'm gonna have to disconnect these because I'm scared.
If they can join the army or not. So these are like Thai names. Like 110, Mr. blah blah blah, you know? 100.
These are picking up radio signals for the military.
That's
So
nice.
these may even be better than AirPod Maxes because AirPod Maxes cannot pick up local military's communication. And here is the insides of it. We have 250 milliamp battery. So actually the mini phone actually has a bigger battery than this. We can actually make this battery a lot better, but it'd probably be a lot sketchier. So there's nothing on this one. And one of the cables are broken too. These, I'm going to give 2.5 out of 10 because the bass is actually there, but you can just buy some headphones. Like, instead, you can get these AirPods from 7-Eleven that sound really good. They actually work, and they're from 7-Eleven. They even have a nice little snap. So honestly, it's time to finish the product review, and I'm gonna show you where I rank these and what I'm going to do next. Right now, I'm wearing the Apple Watch, so obviously we know this is the rankings so far. This is the worst product I've ever tested in my life. This is, I don't even know, JBL, whatever this is. Then we have the $27 AirPod Max. Now we have the fan that barely blows. Now these three products are in their own category. I want to give this second place, but I think I'm gonna move the phone second place because it does exactly what it's described. It was $9 for this. This was $15, but this is not bad at all. The clear winner is obviously the AirPods that are from 7-Eleven that are $6. They work, they're good, they're reliable, and they sound actually pretty decent. Unlike these cheap products that don't work very well. Jesus. You can check out PCBWay where you can actually get quality printed out and make unique parts that actually work. Unlike speakers that easily break like this, PCBWay can make PCBs for you. They can do 3D printing, or they can do CNC machining, such as this watch that I had made on my last video. So check it out. They do great work, PCBWay.com, and you can get anything that you want made, prototyped, and you won't be ended up with broken parts like this. Thanks for watching. Check out my next video while I turn one of these into an actual product and see how I can make it even better.